My name is Matthew Stewart, and we run a business called Triple AGS Demolition and Excavation. The services that Website Guy have provided to us have been really good. We've been coming back for updates and assistance for, I think, 7 years now, and the service has always been excellent. A colleague of mine had actually used Website Guy to develop a website for them, and they were very happy with that. I also heard the ad on the radio. I would recommend Website Guy to anyone who needed help with a website of any kind, or any online services for that matter. They've been really, really good, and I'm glad I came in about 7 years ago.